What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. This is gonna be a quick video, not nothing too serious at all. But today's video, we're doing a whip install on the Raptor. Got it from my homie that's in town. Link will be in the description for the whip if you want to order one from him. But I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. You get directions. I don't know if he sells a kit for like one, but he has the kit where you can get two. I think it's two different sizes. I think one is 3 foot and the other one is like 6 feet or 5 feet or something like that. Pretty much I'm showing you what it is. You know, it comes with a remote, comes with 2 whips. There's one, you know, some American flags if you want to hang off of it. I'm probably not going to, but you know, a lot of people would. I might get something custom to make. Another reason why I chose his whips that he sells and like it, because I'm not going to always night ride or need a whip. So with that being said, even though other companies probably does this, but they are quick disconnect. And if you really know me, like know me, I like to support friends. I like to support local people. So that's another reason why I went with it. Not going to film the install of this because I'm trying to make this video very quick. But it's pretty much what it is. You got your 2 whips. Only going to use one. You know, your controller box for this right here is to download the app from what he was telling me. And pretty much put this on and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out real quick and then show y'all what it looks like running and what it looks like installed. So give me a minute, but for y'all to be a split second. All right, YouTube, we back. Everything is done. I gotta snip this still, but that's pretty much what it is. Light bar is on. Yeah, that's it. It does come with a program you can put on your phone, but because I'm recording my phone, I have to do it like this with the remote right here. But let's see if it picks up from back here. See, there you go. You got speed. You know, if you go up for fastness, you can slow it down. Mode, you got all types of mode. On the phone, it gives you way more options. Then you can dim it if you need to. Won't let me do it. I think it's because of the mode. There you go. Dim it if you need to, or brighten it up, or you know, got all different colors. And like I said, that's just if you use the remote. On the phone, you got all type of shit. Like, if you hit auto, it'll do that. Yeah, I think that's all it does in auto. But, like I said, on the phone, you get more options. They're not bad. I like it. From what Nate said, you can take it in. See, it still works. Like, still works. So, should be all right. And then once I get done riding, or just say if I'm going riding during the day, it comes with these things here. See if I can get it out. Well, it's kind of hard, but it comes with these like caps right here, like that right there, that you can put here. Because like I said, you can. The reason why I like this RGB whip is because I can take it off, and it just unhooks right there. But yeah, you can put a cap right here to block out all the mud and everything from it. That way you can just easily, and boom, it's back on. All right, that's it. Hopefully I can get a riding video. Been very busy, haven't been able to really go out and ride and record. As you can tell, I got the GoPro out here, so I just gotta tighten that up some more and put a GoPro on it. But other than that, it's done. The whip is on, ready for the nightlife. Check y'all next video. Peace.